YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is their suction side above ground pool cleaner. So we're going to kind of dive in and show you guys how to replace some of the internal parts. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is an above ground pool cleaner for a suction side. So you're going to plug this into your skimmer for your above ground pool, or if you guys happen to have a dedicated suction line directly on the side, you guys can plug directly into that. If you guys want to know more information about what comes in the box when you guys actually buy a brand new one, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a video that kind of shows you guys what to expect that comes in the box. But today we're going to actually tear into this thing and show you guys how to do some basic repairs. So for today's video, located on the bottom of the cleaner here, we're actually going to show you guys how to get access to this center suction port. So this is where all of your debris is going to flow into. So when you actually first purchase this from Hayward, it's going to have a like a restrictor in there. So depending on the size of your debris, you guys can actually remove that. So I'm gonna actually show you guys how to get access to that thing. So first thing you're gonna do, obviously, you can see the only screws that you're gonna have access to is you're gonna flip it upside down. So once you guys actually flip it up, you're looking right here in the center, like I showed you. You have these three Phillips head screws. So all you need is just one tool, get your Phillips head screwdriver out, and go ahead and remove all of these tools. So I have a ratcheting screwdriver, make it a little easier so you don't have to sit here and spin them all. Again, anytime you guys are doing any repairs to any of your cleaners, above ground, in ground, doesn't matter. You guys want to make sure that you take it out of your pool, move it as far away from the water as you can to a nice flat surface like I got here, this nice table. So then that way you guys don't take the risk of dropping these screws into the water and making it be a pain in the butt to get out. So once you guys actually remove all three, these are specific sized screws. So as you guys can see, the two bottom screws that I removed here are actually really long screws. And the one top screw here located towards the mouth is actually a smaller screw with an actual locking washer on it. So definitely when you guys are putting this back together, you want to make sure that that's how that goes. The two long ones on the one side and the one short one. If you guys start trying to screw in the long one into this other hole, you guys can actually damage it because they are two different screws. So be gentle when you guys are doing that. I never recommend using any kind of power tools. Always make sure you guys are using a hand tool. It just makes sure that you guys don't strip anything or over tighten anything. So as you guys can see here, once you remove that plate, it actually gives you access here to this restrictor like I was telling you about. All this does is it just helps funnel the debris and the pressure from your suction line actually to drive the debris down here through the cleaner. So sometimes if you guys have larger debris or if you guys are experiencing this thing not working properly, sometimes it can get stuck in this throat, whatever you want to call it. And so that's really easy for you guys to be able to take it off. Obviously, if there's debris farther into the suction hole here, you guys are going to have to dive deeper. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you guys can follow along with us. We're going to actually get deeper into this cleaner in the next video. So for today's, we just want to show you guys how to get access to this, help clear out some minor debris, as well as showing you guys that this is a replaceable part for you so you can actually take this out and fix it. So stay tuned for the other one. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.